Good evening. I'm going to take a look at an IPA that a friend of mine brought by. And my first thoughts, oh, you're not going to be able to see, this is unfortunate. My first thought, as I picked it up, is wow, there is a lot of sediment in this beer. It's all swirly in there. I'm sure that you'll see it in the glass. You can almost see it here at the bottom, but you'll definitely see it in the glass. Anyway, I got distracted by that. So this is Belching Bever, Deftones Phantom Bride India Pale Ale. So 7.1 alcohol by volume, named after the ethereal song by the one and only Deftones. Phantom Bride IPA is a blend of Amarillo, Citra, Simcoe, and Mosaic hops, delicately balanced for the perfectly drinkable mix of citrus and hoppy goodness. A truly original Deftones / Belching Bever collaboration envisioned by Chino Moreno and skillfully crafted by Thomas Peter. Sit back, put on your headphones and drink away. And it does not say on this the IBUs, which I'm curious about. So I'll look that up. Hopefully quickly. But let's see here. I think beers that so this is out of San Diego. I guess this is North County, San Diego. Yeah, I like beers that are interesting collaborations and nods to these other things, so that's cool. Oh, they have a milk stout. That's good. Beaver's milk. Let's see here. I don't actually see it listed, which is weird. Hold on. I hate it when they don't have this information on the website. Or on the bottle, actually, more so. Beer Advocate says, nobody knows. Wow, there's no reviews on this beer on Beer Advocate. I'm somewhat shocked by this. I'm pretty sure that it has a bottle-on date of 9/29/16. So best, I don't know what BOD stands for. Clearly it's not bottled on date because it's 9/29/16. Wait, today is, okay. Maybe it's that new and it made it up here. What is today? The 14th of October. So I suppose that could be. But I'm not certain what BOD stands for, and I can't think very clearly about that right now for whatever reason. So anyway, let's move ahead with taking a look at this. So this glass is actually, let's see. I want to make sure that we can see. Wow, this is really hazy. Okay, smell. Definitely hoppy. It's got that nice kind of citrus or tropical floral aroma to it. A little bit of pininess in here. Almost a fruitiness like nectarine, which is kind of nice. Nice fresh green smelling beer. So appearance-wise, it's golden, and definitely hazy. It's very carbonated looking, and I was thinking originally when I had poured it that there was a lot of stuff floating around, but I can't tell if that's, oh no, it's both. Okay, I'm going to say I can't tell if it's stuff floating or bubbles rising, but it's really a good combination of the two. So this is really this really has a lot of sediment in the bottom of it, and unfortunately this you can't see in the video because fine. And it did pour with a nice head that looks like it's going to stick around. It's got a nice rocky kind of top on it here. All right, let's dive in. Mm. This is interest. This is good and interesting. A lot of stuff going on. Juicy and tropical. Fruity, definitely. It actually makes me kind of drool. So juicy, particularly in flavor, but also in mouthfeel. Um, I get. I feel like when I eat candy, I don't want to say sweet tarts because that's very tart, but like candy that could be tart, like gosh, what are those little things that Smarties that have like a dusty tartness to them. This reminds me a lot of that flavor. So it's got that kind of like fruity candy flavor to it. A little bit of tartness, but not in like a sour beer kind of a way. And I really get a lot of flavor layers. At first it's that candy kind of fruitness, and I can almost feel the flavor kind of roll back up. Um, it really has a nice aftertaste, actually. Um, anyway, interesting beer. I think it's a great IPA. I mean, it's definitely hop forward. A little over 7% alcohol. Very low on the malt side. Carbonated. Nicely balanced, though. I feel like it's not overly aggressive and makes me go IPA. So I think it's a good beer. And I'm glad that it came across my desk. Cheers. If you've tried Belching Bever Deftones Phantom Bride, let me know your thoughts about it and where you were able to find it. I don't remember where this came from. Like I said, a friend of mine gave it to me. I want to say I'm going to forget what that street is called. Anyway, it's some market that's over near Lindsay Wildlife Museum in Walnut Creek. Not that that's very helpful. All right. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a good night.